Hi and welcome to my kitchen. This week's recipe, cute mini chocolate tarts. This no-bake dessert is luxurious chocolate filled into mini graham cracker crusts. 4 ingredients is all you need: chocolate, heavy cream, butter, and mini graham cracker crust. Starting with 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate, 1 cup simmering heavy cream, and 3 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. Let that sit for about a minute or 2 until everything starts to melt, and then whisk very well to combine until you have a creamy and silky, smooth consistency. So that's what we're looking for. Go ahead and top off your mini graham cracker crust about 3/4 of the way through. Just like that. Isn't everything cuter in mini form? Because this is such an easy recipe. All you need to do is chill in the refrigerator for about an hour or up to overnight, and then you can top off with sprinkles, cream, or berries, and you're all sorted for a delicious dessert that's simple and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.